In this Keyframe Studio review, I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about Keyframe Studios. Keyframe Studios is an all-in-one platform for creating videos of your computer screen for socials. So, once you get started, this page is really interesting because here you have strange features that all make sense in the end and actually operate to help you, but they're interesting to peruse nonetheless. So you're taken to this main page right here at first, and this main page shows you everything you need to know about the editor itself. So you have here, you got again showing you how to do keyframes, you got videos to play to allow you to watch the editing process of all the different videos you'd like to create. Then you got here, create videos in high resolution. They move to, they're animated. You go down, you can see some cool features they've added for yourself. Again, even a recording feature as well that they're trying to show right here. They've done it through code and you're able to record yourself, but we'll get through all that once we get into the editor. Generate subtitles automatically, so you can generate subtitles automatically as well if you want to, and it supports all kinds of social media. So this software can be used to upload to Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok even as well. And then, you know, they're just leveraging the thing. It's easy to use. Again, leverage success to grow your business. And literally, if you go all the way from the top to the bottom of the page, you have everything it can do for you explained and displayed right there. You go to blog as well, and they have blogs, educational blogs of new things. So, you know, how to create educational content for TikToks, and they teach you how to create certain kinds of videos that might help you go viral on TikTok. So that's quite cool that this software can do that for you, even though it's just meant to help you edit videos. It has all of this, such as blogs and information to help you out, which is really useful. And you can look at the resources as well, the different types of social media videos that are available right here. You have TikTok, YouTube videos, YouTube Shorts, LinkedIn videos, and Instagram videos. You can click on TikTok videos. You can see right here how to create for your computer screen. So it's telling you all the information you need, how to do it through the editor. And it's the same thing with YouTube videos as well, 16:9 video dimension. And again, it's just showing you how to get there through the editor they'll provide you. So let's jump into this editor then and see what is available for us. So as we can see, we're taken to the editor right here underneath. So we can see we have add media, untitled project, our account, save and export video. So there's quite a few things we can do on this editor that's going to be interesting to go through. And once we get a hang of it and get a hold of it, we'll be able to edit our videos precisely to the social media website we want to use. So edit media, you can either record a video of yourself or you can upload one. Again, we're not going to record as that interfere with all this. So we'll simply just upload a video. We'll upload this short Halloween film right here. So, you know, we recently came off from Halloween about 2 weeks ago. But here, we have Halloween. And this video is available for us to utilize. We click it. Now we can add it to the new track or the main track. So we'll decide which one, but we'll put it on the main track right now. That main track is here, right here for us. And this is what the TikTok will look like. This is the screen of the TikTok. So clearly the video itself wasn't created for TikTok on a vertical landscape, but assume it is, and we'll just work with it so far. You can scrub through the film, through here. Again, you know, you have a killer, just, you know, sort of washing his hands off blood with a phone. Now, interestingly, if you go through this, you can actually split it here. So if you split the current timestamp right here, you can see, oh, trigger warning as well, there might be some blood on the images because Halloween, it's Halloween based, but it's all fake, there's nothing going on. So again, you split the clip through there, you know, for you if you want to. Got this creepy villain with a mask, it's got a knife here. And then through here, you can zoom out if you want to, or you can zoom in or fit content where that space of it essentially is. And you can see the time length of it as well if you had to. And if you go down here, you can see the timestamp you're in. You can lower it, increase it if you want to as well. You have that feature available for you. You can remove the track item in operations if you want to as well. So again, we've gotten rid of that, but we'll we'll go back and put this on a new track. So now you see we've added a track on top of the main track we already created. So there's new tracks right there on top. Original ones here. So we have this main one right here. We're not going to do much with it. We can mess with its position again if you want to change its position. 25%, so you know you have it right here showing only this, and then once we move that, that changes the x-axis position as well, and you can do it with the y-axis too. Position presets as well, you have these here. Again, if you want it to be up there, if you want the camera to be recording from up there, that's great. You match that to it, and the width you can edit as well right here. You can have edit mode, which will enter, which you know allows to edit the film. And you have view mode as well, which is what it would actually look like if it's posted on TikTok or whatever website works for you. You go down to text as well, and you can add a sample text to whatever track you have. So we have sample text one right here. If you click it, you can simply edit it through here. Nothing complicated. Just go through. Happy Halloween right there. So again, that's quite nice if it's the horror vibe. You can move this and shift this around if you want to, but we'll keep it as that's nice. And you can see again we have the X and Y axis that will determine where its length stops and where it goes up to. Then the same things before, position presets if you want to. You have it there on the side or top middle here, and we'll have it top left actually right there for us, because that's the nicest one to have essentially. You know, we don't want the text to be anywhere that's not pleasant to the eyes. It just seems to fit when it's in top left and it's unobtrusive and non-disruptive. Then we can mess with the font size of it as well. Halloween, okay, really bold, really big, or we keep it down as well. Although it says font size as well, it's really moving in the box, but it's all right because it's a lot of work it's trying to do. Text transition, you can have it scale in as well rather than just nothing, so it can just scale in right there for us rather than just appear there. And we have color as well, so we have a nice color line right here. We can go through. Maybe we want it blue as well. Now it might not be the best thing to make it blue, but we have it right there. And you have sample text. You can change up the way the text looks. You can have this quite funny one as well, which might work for sort of horror, fantastical Halloween vibe, to be honest. So that's quite nice to have there. And you can apply this style to all text. If you had a bunch of text there and more than one thing going on your page, apply a style to all, or create a copy, or just remove it plainly, simply and plainly. The duration of it, you can have how long it lasts, and the value it has. And yeah, you can add all those things too. You can add subtitles to the video if you want to as well. This isn't a talking video, it's a short film, visual, TikTok piece. But if it was a piece where there was a lot of dialogue, a lot of talking and communication, you can definitely add subtitles to it as well. Then you can add sound as well. So we have background music you can put in here. You can put in a new Beyonce song in a new track as well, just right there. So it'll be there for you to look at. Again, most you can edit is the volume of this thing really as a backing track, so there's not going to be much room to edit a lot of things just because it's music. But again, you have a litany of different and unique songs you can put to TikTok as well. Some of them are funny, some of them are quite cultural, new songs that everyone's playing today, so you can keep up to times and keep up with the current trends on your TikTok or Instagram if you want to. And you have sound effects as well. You got a whoosh here, you can add in audio 1. Again, it wouldn't really make sense, but just showing you can add it if you want to. And you got a heartbeat, a boom, the oof, XB shutdown, bruh. All the meme sounds are quite popular online. You can have for you right there. You can add stickers as well if you want to. Stickers, they're almost like GIFs in my eyes. I think these are GIFs, but they call them stickers right here. So again, you can put a sticker if you want to, just click it. Again, you add a track 1 and it's right there. So that makes your TikTok a bit more creative, a bit more fun. You've got this nice animation that's sort of pointing towards a certain direction. And that's quite fun to always have. You can add one more if you want to as well. Put in a new track again. So we move that above. and just, yeah, keep it there. We can move the sticker if we want to as well, the duration, the position. The same way we can edit the features of every other element put up on the screen. You can do it with the stickers too as well. Go back again. You can also put text as well. So if there's new text that's in a cool font that you want to utilize, you add it there, put in track 1, and you have the new text right there. You put in track 2. Although it's all ended up in the same place in this corner, but it's still nice to have them right there. See as well, that's the text. Check it out. Just underneath, once it gave it a bit of time, it's showing there. Check it out. Easy and fun for us to have. Then the background color. Again, background color, you can make it whatever you want, but we'll keep it, you know, blue or something. It doesn't really matter too much where you make the background color, as long as it's nice and appealing and matches with your video format. And you've got a help widget here as well. If you have any problems, if you like something, if you don't like something, if you have an idea, give them feedback right here, and you can contact them for help through this as well. Once you're done with all that, you save it and you export your video. And you export the video, and it'll be here, loading for you, exporting with the percentage given, and thus your video will be exported onto your social media you connect. Keyframe Studio Editor is really easy to use, deceptively easy to use. It allows you to do a lot of complicated things, but it makes it really nice and intuitive, and there are not a lot of features that get in your way. Each button is laid out quite well for you, the subtitles, the text, the stickers, so it's very convenient to make TikTok videos and Instagram and YouTube videos if you want to do those things. So I can recommend it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll provide a discounted link. Thank you for watching.